Hey everybody, thank you for joining my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment if you will. Yeah, I'm trying to show you all my gray bun in the back. I just got my new gray scarf to match my polo hoodie. Got my gray scarf to match my polo hoodie. Yep. We're coordinating over here. We're coordinating. Anyway, I want to talk about how to find your niche and how to find your niche on YouTube. I don't know if you're interested in this, but this is all for all my uh, aspiring YouTube content creators out there. If you're wondering, what do you want your channel to be about? Because it's good to know what what you want to do, because people will know you for, say, whatever whatever you need. People will know you for what your channel is known for. So like, I knew I wanted to create content, but I knew that I didn't want to do like a typical like mukbang channel, or be a tarot card reader, or do makeup, or something like that, or tutorials on whatever. Like, I always knew I wanted to create content, but I knew I didn't want to do, I just wanted to basically just change the narrative and actually help people, actually help women, to be more specific. My channel is basically to inspire women to be the best version of themselves, because that's what I'm in the process of doing. So that's what my channel is focused around, is actually inspiring women of all ages and races to help them become the best version of themselves. And so it's some men that watch me, they may think that I'm cute or something like that, but yeah, this can help them as well, because it's all about self-love and loving yourself. And yeah, that's what this channel is about. This channel is about how to love yourself 100%. And because we think that we love ourselves, but we do things that are counterproductive, to our self-care and our, for our best interests. Yes, so I want to talk about how to find your niche on YouTube, and how I come to the conclusion that basically I'm turning my pain into my purpose. And so that's basically, to help people. I always wanted to help people, and now I'm in a space where I can actually bring my words of encouragement, my words of wisdom to the forefront. You know what I'm saying? And actually be the change that I want to see in the world, actually make a difference. Now, you may resonate with my content. You may want to do the same thing that I'm doing. You may want to have a channel where you actually just, using your testimony, your life story, to help people, to, to show people that you can overcome and thrive no matter what your situation is, and basically change your perspective, or whatever, no matter what situation you could be in. You could be homeless, in an abusive relationship, whatever it could be, but you have to take one step at a time. So finding your niche on YouTube is crucial for standing out and building a dedicated audience. Here are steps to help you discover and define your YouTube niche. Number one, self-reflection. Passions and interests. Think about topics you are passionate about or have a deep interest in. Creating content that excites you will make the process enjoyable and sustainable. Skills and expertise. Consider your skills are areas of expertise that you can share with others. What do you know well or can teach? This could be anything from gaming, cooking, tech reviews, to fitness and more. Number two, audience research. Target audience. Define the type of audience you want to reach, or you're targeting. Beginners, experts, or a specific age group. Understand their interests, problems, and needs. Existing channels. Look at other channels in your potential niche. Analyze their content, what works, and the gaps that might exist in their content offerings. Number three, explore trending topics. YouTube trends. Keep an eye on trending topics or current events. Using tools like Google Trends or YouTube's trending page can help you identify what people are currently interested in. Popular formats. Experiment with different content formats, tutorials, reviews, vlogs, challenges to see what resonates most with your audience. Number 4, check competition and demand. Low competition niches. A good niche should ideally be something with enough audience interest, but not too much competition. This allows you to carve out a unique space for yourself. Keyword search or keyword research. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to search for keywords with high search volume but relatively low competition. This can give you insights into potential niches and help you create optimized content. Number 5, experiment and iterate. Content creation. Don't be afraid to start creating and posting content on multiple topics within your broader interests. Monitor what gets the most views, engagement, and feedback from your audience. Pivot if needed. If a certain niche or topic gains traction, you can double down on it, but don't be afraid to pivot if something isn't working. Number 6, evaluate long-term stability or long-term sustainability. Content longevity. Will you be able to consistently create content in your niche? Consider whether you can generate a continuous stream of ideas and content without burning out. Monetization. Research whether your niche offers opportunity for monetization through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or merchandise. By combining your interests with audience demand and strategic content creation, you'll be able to carve out a successful niche on YouTube. So, in my past experience, I know that in this day and age, people are really resonating with just basically kind of how to deal with narcissists, how to deal with difficult people. That gets a lot of views, and that's kind of the lane that I'm in. Like, I don't want to just beat a dead horse. I actually want to provide some sort of how to, you know what I'm saying? I want to give you all tools that you can actually use, and I don't want to just dwell on the problem. I don't want to just dwell on the problem. We're not dwelling on the problem over here. We're actually going to find solutions to the problem, if that makes sense. I want to be proactive, not reactive all the time, because we know that with every level requires a new devil. And if you are in the process of becoming the best version of yourself, there is going to be a pushback and going to be delays and situations that are beyond our control, and that has to be understood. But your girl, Sister Azra Love, is here to be your cheerleader. Say, let's go, you can do it. Let's go, you can do it. Let's go, you can be whatever you put your mind to. Let's go, we can do it. Let's go, you can do it. Let's go. I just came up with that. Yeah, so anyway, that's what this channel is about. Because at the end of the day, see, I've been doing YouTube since April, so I didn't just set out and say, I'm going to do X, Y, and Z. But like like ChatGPT just said, you can do your research. I know what I resonate with, and I know the people that I watch, but everything is not for everybody. Like, I watch tarot cards, but I'm not going to be a tarot card reader. I watch people that just get on the camera and tell you motivational things from their own personal experience, and they have, direct connection with the Most High, and they give people downloads, and that's what I'm here to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm in touch. I'm synced in LinkedIn, and my daughter say, how you come up with your ideas? I have vidIQ. I actually have vidIQ. I use vidIQ for my details. I use ChatGPT for my description box, because your description box is very important on your YouTube video. So I use ChatGPT for my description box, and I use vidIQ to optimize my videos. So vidIQ is like, I think it's like $19.99 a month or something. It's definitely, you have to pay for it, but it's worth it, because you can, it helps you create thumbnails. You can put a picture of yourself and it will do a AI version of your your photo, or you can the thumbnails will match your video on vidIQ. So if you're interested in becoming a YouTube content creator, I definitely suggest that you invest in vidIQ, because that's going to help you out tremendously, because it helps you add tags to your videos. Because my videos, I just looked on my YouTube account and it says that I'm getting more views than usual. Yay. And also, because I think I'm getting more views because my coworker even suggests, she said, you should make shorts. And I'm like, I can't make a short. Like, but I realized that when I make a 30-minute long video or a 15-minute long video, I put out my 15-minute long video or my 30-minute long video, but then I also go back and I chop it down to, I edit it down to make it a short, and my shorts have getting a lot of views. So that was a great idea. So my shorts are bringing in views and it's bringing in subscribers. So that's why my numbers are going up. My numbers are going up due to the fact that I'm creating more shorts and the fact that I'm using vidIQ for my tags and my thumbnails. So, but the combination of all three is definitely something that you should implement into your YouTube channel. Whatever you are doing, whether it's cooking, I like to cook. I wouldn't mind doing a cooking channel, or doing like a doing like a cooking slash mukbang channel. If you you got to just try random things out to see what sticks. You know what I'm saying? I didn't just set out and say, I just want to do this, you know. I just wanted to be the best version of myself and change the narrative into a positive direction. You know what I'm saying? Be the change that I want to see in the world, show up real, true, and authentic in my purpose, and be an inspiration and motivation to somewhere out there. So that's my goal and my job here on YouTube. It's actually to motivate, inspire, and encourage you all out there to be the best version of yourself and to always keep the Most High first. So if you like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you later. Talk to you later. Bye.